Welcome back to art. We have been learning about 7 elements of art. The elements of art are like the ingredients for making an artwork, which include line, shape, form, space, texture, value, and today, color. That's right, today's artwork will be all about color. But before we begin, let's say our mantra.
You ready? I'm ready. I am an artist.
I am an artist.
I am creative.
I am creative.
I make mistakes.
I make mistakes.
But mistakes are great.
But mistakes are great.
Because they help us learn.
Because they help us learn.
Let's create an artwork using our name. Turn your paper the horizontal way and write your name large across the paper. Space out your letters so that it reaches from one side all the way to the other side. If you make a mistake, remember, mistakes are great. Just flip your paper over and try again. Next, take a Sharpie and outline or trace around your pencil lines. Make it into a game where you try not to touch the pencil lines. Now, if the Sharpie touches, that's okay. Even the letters can look as if they're overlapping. Go around each of the pencil lines, and if you have a letter that's an O or an A, make sure that you draw that inside space as well. Take your time and go around each of the pencil lines. Next, divide your paper using lines. Start with the horizontal line from one side of your paper to the other side. Find the center and draw one big X. If I had to do this again, I would have used a ruler. I think that I could have made even straighter lines when I drew that X through the middle, because I found out it was a little tricky to draw straight lines. So if you would like to use a ruler, that might be a great idea. Now it's time to erase the stick lines. Using your eraser, go ahead and erase all of the stick lines inside of the Sharpie. Do not worry about making it perfect because you are going to use color to go over that pencil. Next, it's time for color. This is the fun part. Get out the primary and secondary colors. That means red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. These are the colors of the rainbow, or even the colors of the color wheel. And we're going to start with red, and we're going to move all the way around the paper, going from red, orange, yellow, then green, then blue, then violet. Fill in the spaces, even the tiniest of spaces between your letters. Next, it's time to color in our name using the complementary colors. The complementary colors are colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel. Red and green are complementary colors. You see red and green together a lot during the holidays. Orange and blue. Did you see I almost made a mistake? But I remembered that orange and blue are complementary colors. I do believe the Dolphins, a football team, love orange and blue. Oh, I forgot to do a little bit of green, so I went back. Yellow and purple are complementary colors. The Vikings know yellow and purple are complements. Next, red and green again. They are complementary colors, and even the Wild team uses red and green. And orange and blue on the other side. Do you see that it switches from one side to the other? I once again realized that I forgot to color in some of the red, so I went back. Remember, if you make a mistake, mistakes are great. You can go back and there's always a way to fix it. Next, yellow and purple. When you're done coloring in the complementary colors, You could be finished. This could be your artwork. I love it. Or you can add in a design, a line design using lines and patterns on top of your name. Go ahead and have fun with polka dots or stripes or zigzags and fill in the spaces. That's another way to finish your art today. Enjoy using the complementary colors to create a wonderful work of art.